How to use Roborock on multiple floors. Follow my instructions. First, make sure your Roborock robot vacuum is fully charged and connected to the Roborock app on your phone. You'll need to map each floor separately. So begin by placing the vacuum on the first floor in an open area. Open the app, go to Device Settings and select Map Management. Start a full cleaning so it can scan and save the floor layout. Once mapping is complete, save the map and name it something like Ground Floor. Next, pick up your Roborock and place it on the second floor. Make sure there's a charging dock on this floor too. If not, you can still run it without docking, but mapping and location tracking will work better with a dock. On the app, go back to Map Management, tap Create New Map, and start a cleaning run again. Roborock will recognize this as a new layout and save a separate map. After mapping, name it something like Upper Floor. You can even set no-go zones, rooms, and custom cleaning routines for each individual floor. Just tap on the map you want to edit and customize it as needed. This way, your Roborock can handle multi-story cleaning without any confusion, all managed easily through the app. Thanks for watching.